How to change password on MetaMask Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change password on MetaMask Wallet. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open your MetaMask Wallet application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged in to your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on this icon at the bottom right and you will reach to the settings page. Here you will need to locate security and privacy option. Once you find it, tap on it. And once you reach to the security page, you'll scroll a bit down and then you'll be able to see this password section. At the bottom of this section, you'll be able to see change password option. Tap on this change password. And now before you create a new password, you will need to enter your current password. Tap on this box and enter your password. After you enter the password, tap on this confirm button right here. After that, now you can create a strong password. Tap on this first box and enter your password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long. After entering the password in the first box, now enter the same password in the second box to confirm. After you enter both the password, if you want to unlock it with fingerprint, you can toggle this button at the right side. If not, you can toggle it off. And now tap on this checkbox that says I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me option. After that, tap on this reset password button below. You will need to wait for a moment until the changes take effect. And after that, you will see you have successfully changed the password of your MetaMask wallet. So now whenever you log into your account, you will need to use your newly updated password in order to log in. So by following these steps, you should be able to change password on MetaMask. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.